Hello. We need to talk about the planet Mars. See this picture art here. You see this? These are canals on Mars, and let's go to. Let's start. Okay, this is how Mars used to look like when astronomers they looked at it with their scopes, and this is how it looked like 100 years ago. It looked like here we have a newspaper piece. There are life on planet Mars. Let's read it. Professor Percival Lowell, recognized as the greatest authority on the subject, declares there can be no doubt that living beings inhabit our neighbor world. By Lillian Whiting. This is the first time I read this, so why did he say something like this? And this must have been in the 1800 or very early 1900. So how can he say that? So this is how Mars looked like. This is actually you see this Mars globe over here is and this map over here too is maps created by the United States military. So yeah, if they created a detailed map like this, they couldn't be smoking weed, right? And this is how NASA wants you to believe Mars is right now. Is the red desert, like the Hollywood makes all these movies about Mars being a red desert. So let's find a nice picture on Mars. So yeah, in reality, Mars is wait a second. So let's take this one for instance here. No wait, let's okay, let's use this as an example here. So what do we see when we look at this planet Mars here? We see it's mostly made out of a red desert, which probably is true, but it also has canals. And we see the canals going from, you see this little place here, and then there's a canal going to that little place, and so we have like canals going like this, but it's mostly more like this. So what are we looking at right here? I tell you what we're looking at. We're looking at a vapor canopy world, and how is it that we are looking at the vapor canopy world? There is this truther that claims that our sky is some sort of mirror that mirrors in time. So we are looking at actually planet Earth, but it is like distorted in many years. So when we're looking at this, we could be looking at a version of Earth that is not that old. Because if we take away, we say that the red plasma apocalypse world happen at tomorrow, and Daydreamer C says that it will be a fire apocalypse, meaning that the water, the sea, will vaporize. So what do we have left if we would vaporize all the sea on planet Earth? We would have this deep trenches, this deep little holes. Like if you look at the ocean right now, you know that there are these like deep pockets, the very deepest of pockets. This is where the thing are. This is where the last water remains are. So this is where there is green there in this pocket. So these pockets have like rivers going to another pocket, and we see this is pockets, and what used to be like the surface world, or like the standard bottom, I mean ocean bottom, is just red desert, because all the water is gone, and the water that is left are in these deep pockets. So that's my point about Mars. So yeah, he could be looking at a distorted mirror of Mars. And here we have, yeah, we looked at this. So I don't have anything more to add. So uh, have have a great have a great one.